now we reach RV beach entrance. Look very nice.
It's on?
Yes, it's on.
We are going at RIV beach. This is a very roadside beach. And our teammates are coming behind. As usual, they are late. Slow and late. Oh, can you see the board?
Oh wow, very nice. I think this road is directly connected to
This is the
Divya.
beach road. Yeah.
Okay, okay. We'll see that later, guys. I'll just park our bike. Motorbikes, it's too expensive. These two are coming.
Hello. A nice beach, yeah.
We came here so late. Yeah. उन्हामध्ये कंटाळा आला. चल बसूया आता.
दिसतो तुला रोड दिसतो?